Hi guys, welcome back to Love Cooking with Tofa. Today I'm going to make a no-bake cheesecake. So basically it is a fridge cheesecake and I have a packet of tennis biscuits, classic coconut biscuits but the caramel flavor. So what I'm going to do is, for now, struggle to get the packet open. There we go. So I'm going to take the biscuits and I'm literally going to just crush it into the bowl like this. You can use a blender if you have one. Just put it inside the blender like that. And I will be right back once I have all the biscuits crushed in the bowl. So guys, I am back. Put my biscuits into the blender actually because it was much quicker and I'm a little bit pressed for time. So basically that's the biscuits, and now I'm going to set it aside and get to the jelly. So with the jelly I just have a 1/4 cup of boiling water and I'm going to add in some pineapple jelly. You can use lemon jelly or orange jelly, anything with a yellowish color, because we're going to make a pineapple no-bake cheesecake today. So I'm just going to dissolve the jelly in the hot water and then I'm going to let it cool down and then we'll get to the cheesecake mixture. So while the jelly is cooling off, I'm going to take fresh cream and put it into the bowl. I'm going to whip the cream, and to this I'm adding 1 tin of condensed milk. Then I'm also going to give this a mix, and then I'll be adding in some cottage cheese. Here we go. I'm also going to give that a mix now, and now I'll be taking the jelly that we mixed earlier with water. I'm going to slowly add it into the bowl. There we go, while I am mixing the ingredients together. And now we're getting to assembling the cheesecake. So I have some butter. You can use margarine or Mavallo. I'm going to put it in the Pyrex dish and smear it right around. So that is how the Pyrex dish looks. And now we're getting back to the biscuits. Back to the basics. And I'm going to add the biscuits into the dish. Just a little at a time so that we know how we can move it around. Go. And now I'm just going to smoothen it out, guys. And I will show you what it looks like once I'm done. So now this is what it looks like. I've pressed it down completely. And I also dice the biscuits up on the side, just so that when they're dishing on the side of the dish, it also has some biscuit and not just at the bottom. So now I'm going to pour in the cheesecake mix like that and just smoothen it out. Sure that the mixture is even. And the jelly that we added in here is going to help it set. Just pour in some more until everything is in the dish. There we go. And then just flatten it out. Just follow these steps. And I will be right back once I have everything in the dish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the fridge, and once it has set completely, or it is well set, I'll show you what to do next. Guys, I am back and the cheesecake is now ready to be decorated. I'm going to be using pineapple pieces, and I'm just going to decorate the pineapple on top of the cheesecake. So I'm just going to place it on top of the cheesecake, and the pineapple juice I will use with the jelly. So I will be right back once I have all the pineapple on the cheesecake. So I've put all the pineapple chunks on top of the cheesecake. You can use pineapple rings, they didn't have any at the store when I went. So I just took the chunks, and now I'm going to make the jelly that goes on top of that, and I will show you what to do. So in this bowl I will be adding a half a cup of boiling water. And I will be adding in the other packet of pineapple jelly. And like I said, you can use any jelly you would like to use. That's entirely up to you. And then I'm just going to dissolve the jelly into the boiling water, and then I'm going to be adding the pineapple juice from the pineapple pieces. There we go. I still have some pineapple pieces left. I'll just move that one side. So this is my mom's favorite dessert, and she is coming over today, so I figured I'd make something nice for her. And now let's get back to business. So the jelly mixture I'll be pouring on top of the cheesecake, nice and slow. And then I'll just move it around to be sure that it's even. Like that. I'll add some more. There we go. I did press the pineapple pieces down into the cheesecake so that I can cover all of it with jelly. Go. And now I'm going to be putting it back into the fridge so it can set, and I'll show you what it looks like when I serve it.